Today I am reviewing the VIOFO A119 V3 dashcam. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The VIOFO A119 V3 dashcam is one of the best front-facing car cameras for drivers looking to upgrade their vehicle security and recording capabilities. This advanced dashcam delivers 2K Quad HD Plus video at 60 frames per second, ensuring every detail on the road is captured with exceptional clarity. Powered by a 5MP STARVIS sensor and a 7-element glass lens, the A119 V3 captures a wide 140-degree field of view that reduces distortion and covers a broad area in front of your vehicle. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, the dashcam's true HDR technology balances highlights and shadows, ensuring license plates, road signs, and other critical details remain clearly visible in all lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the A119 V3 is its versatile parking mode options. It offers 3 parking solutions: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. The auto event detection mode supports buffer recording, capturing 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event, which is extremely useful in parking lot incidents. To fully utilize these parking modes, the camera can be connected with the optional VIOFO 3 Hong Kong dollars ACC hardwire cable, allowing seamless switching between driving and parking modes while also protecting your vehicle's battery with voltage monitoring. Another essential feature is the integrated GPS module, which records real-time speed, timestamp, and GPS route data directly onto the video files. This adds crucial context and documentation to your recordings, making them more useful in case of an accident or insurance claim. The built-in GPS automatically synchronizes with satellite time, so you don't need to worry about adjusting the time manually. The night vision performance on the A119 V3 is impressive. Thanks to the STARVIS sensor, the camera captures crisp and clear footage even in low-light conditions. HDR ensures that the balance between bright headlights and dark surroundings is maintained, and this allows license plates, pedestrians, and other critical details to remain visible, even in challenging lighting situations. In terms of reliability, the A119 V3 comes equipped with a G-sensor that automatically locks important files during sudden impacts or abrupt braking. It also supports loop recording for continuous operation, ensuring you never miss a moment on the road. The dashcam supports microSD cards up to 256 GB with U3, A2, and V30 recommendations for optimal performance. Other handy features include a built-in microphone for audio recording, auto start and stop functionality, and memory partitioning to protect important footage from being overwritten. Overall, the VIOFO A119 V3 dashcam combines high-resolution video, advanced low-light performance, GPS tracking, and versatile parking modes into a compact, reliable package. Whether you're concerned about road incidents, want to record scenic drives, or need parking lot protection, this dashcam delivers professional-grade recording and dependable performance for everyday drivers.